Good morning, students. As you know, in my yesterday class, I solved you textbook exercises. Today we are going to do our textbook exercise writing zone. Writing zone chapter 15, page number 107. Sorry, 109. You have to you have to write question from the textbook and answer from I am going to send you one PDF. Okay, you have to write first chapter number chapter number 15. Name of chapter is Mumbai. Okay, and I hope you all write the question number 1. Name the capital of Maharashtra. Name the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, question is name the capital of Maharashtra. I am going to write answer here. That answer is capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. How you have to write? You have to use 4 line properly. Mumbai Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, this is first question answer. You have to write question from your textbook. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the capital of Maharashtra. Answer is Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Second question. Where is Mumbai located? No need to skip any line. Question you have to write and answer is, sorry, I am going to write question 2 also. Okay. No need to worry. Okay. Question 2 is where is Mumbai located? Located. Question mark. Okay, answer. I am going to write answer. Mumbai is located is located on the western coast of India. Coast of India. Okay. पश्चिमी समंदर किनारे बना हुआ है. क्वेश्चन 3 वेयर इज द गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया. क्वेश्चन 3 इज वेयर इज द गेटवे ऑफ India. Okay. When was it built? When was it built? Okay. Answer is India. The gateway of India कहाँ है और ये कब बिल्ड बनाया गया है. Answer 3. Gateway of India is in Mumbai. It was built in 1911 to welcome British King George V and Queen Mary. Okay. Third answer is Gateway of India is in Mumbai. It was built built in 1911 to welcome British King George George V and Queen Mary. Okay. Now turn the page. Write down the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Name two statues. What is fourth question? Name two statues which can be seen close to the Gateway of India. Okay. Answer 3. Answer 4. Name two statues which can be seen close to the Gateway of India. Answer 4 is the two statues which can be seen close to Gateway of India are that of Chhatrapati Shivaji and Swami Vivekananda. Okay. Now, question 5. Where are the Elephanta caves? What are these caves famous for? एलिफेंटा केव्स कहाँ पे है और वे क्यों प्रसिद्ध है? ओके. एलिफेंटा केव्स. आंसर 5. एलिफेंटा caves lie to the east of Mumbai, they are famous for their beautiful stone carving. Okay, what is the answer? Elephanta caves lie to the east of Mumbai. They are famous for their beautiful stone carving. Okay, this is our writing zone exercise, and today we are going to do our worksheet. Okay, worksheet already page number 19 you completed, and today we are going to do 20 also. Identify the pictures and write their name. Okay, which picture it is? Gateway of India, Elephanta Caves, the Boot House, Marine Drive. Fill in the blanks. The Hindi film industry, also known as Bollywood, Bollywood, Bollywood. Dash is the most important festival of Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi, Ganeshchaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of Mumbai. Third one, the first railway train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane. Thane. Answer is Thane. Thane. Okay. Turn the page. Make a list of 5 tourist attraction place of Mumbai. मुंबई में देखने वाले 5 विजिटिंग प्लेसेस मीन्स टूरिस्ट प्लेस को लिखो. द गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया, मरीन ड्राइव, एलिफेंटा केव्स, द बूट हाउस एंड एसएल वर्ल्ड. These 5 are tourist attraction places of Mumbai. Day 3. Mumbai is the capital of which state? Day 3 में example 1 है short answers questions. First question is Mumbai is the capital of which state? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. What is the location of Mumbai? Mumbai is located on the western coast of India in Maharashtra. Maharashtra state. Okay. It faces the Arabian Sea. Name 2 beaches of Mumbai, Chowpatty and Juhu Beach. What is the main festival of Mumbai? Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Mumbai. Okay, and this work you have to do writing zone in your text notebook, question from textbook and answer from PDF, and worksheet you have to complete in your worksheet only. Okay, I hope you all completed this one also. First, day 1, page number 19, I gave you a homework. First answer is Mumbai is located near the Arabian Sea. Next one is Mumbai is the busiest city of India. Mumbai was earlier known as a Bombay. Mumbai has moderate climate due to its sea coast. Then write true false. Delhi is called financial capital of India. False. Mumbai is located on the west coast of India. True. In 1948, Bombay was declared as a state. False. MCQs. Near the gateway of India, we see the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Option A. Which tourist attraction place of Mumbai is famous for their beautiful stone carving? Elephanta Caves. Option C is correct answer. It is a sea beach near the gateway of India, Chowpatty. Okay. It is worth visiting for its view of the Arabian Sea, Marine Drive. Okay. I am going to send you PDF. You have to copy from this PDF and complete your work. Stay safe. Thank you.